So, for the kids at home watching this, if you've never built your own trick deck or double kick skateboard or whatever the hell you want to call it, I'm going to show you how to do it. And in fact, before you get an electric skateboard, this is a good place to start. Just a normal skateboard. Learning your skills on this, getting your balance, learning how to fall if you need to at slow speed is a good thing to do. There's your answer to, do we have trucks? Yes. Yeah,
that's a Raptor 2 one, isn't it?
That's an adjustable truck that I never got around to developing it, but it's basically so you can, on the Raptor 2, change the pivot angle of the trucks basically to either make it really really carvy and turny, or make it really like not tilt much basically. So when you're going fast, it's fucking just bang, straight line, but if you're going slow and you want to carve, you can fully adjust it. Bearings. It's definitely one thing that I miss, not having my little workshop set up. I used to be able to just go in and grab shelves of all skateboard parts. Just, oh, I'll have that. There's nothing in there, but in here. So, ready to go. Just needs a Unity and a battery and an NOx, and then we have an original Raptor 2. Oh, sorry, Raptor 1. Hook. Perfect. Truck bolts. That one feels good. That'll do it. Okay. Haven't built one of these in a while. It's actually harder to ride a non-electric skateboard than it is an electric skateboard if you consider the fact that this doesn't have a brake. So when you jump on an electric skateboard, you can stop yourself from rolling. This, you got to bail or learn how to foot brake. Anyway, there's enough crap for me. Let's just quickly go through what I've got here. So these trucks are, now this is different than you'll see on most electric skateboards. They use reverse kingpin trucks. Basically the difference is, if you look at a Raptor or a longboard, when they put the trucks on one of those, the kingpin, it's called a reverse kingpin truck. The reason they call that is because traditionally trucks look like that and the kingpin is on the inside. What does it mean? Well, really it's just the difference in the angle that it pivots. If you look at this plane through here, that's how it's pivoting on this truck. Here it's pivoting basically on the same plane. It's just really the only difference is the position of the kingpin. It's pivoting differently. Let's do it. Smells good. These are 8mm risers, or maybe if you're American you would call it 1/4 of an inch. Quite soft for a trick skateboard. These are called rough rides. Bones, yeah, normally it says 80A. That's quite soft for a deck like this. I mean, normally I think we used to ride on wheels that were 90 or 100A, much harder. And look how small these wheels are compared to what everyone uses on electric skateboards. They're tiny, and imagine wheels this big that are super hard. So they look so small. They look good though. Happy with them. This wood is not like a hardwood. You can easily drive the head into it, and that ruins the deck. You pretty much have to pick a new spot. So if you're gonna use a drill, put it on a low torque setting and be careful. Normally you would do this after putting your grip tape on, but I'm doing some fancy grip tape with this strip stuff, so. Pretty long screws, okay. I think it's gonna be a zebra pattern.
From Alpha to Omega, VHS to Beta, PlayStation to Sega, my skill is still greater. The sickest thing since BD, wicked like VG. Live my life crooked like the left finger on ET. Please believe me, this be the realest thing I ever wrote. Right after talking to Pac, puffing on heavy smoke.
There's probably 1,000 other ways you can do this, but I like to use a file. Basically any hard edge.
Time and place where safe, and they can't judge a nigga by the colors of his face, by the content of the way that I spit these letters. I'm kicking it with white boys and old navy sweaters, ball cap low on my eye, cause sometimes I'm listening to my style so much, I'm just trying to get by, I'm just saying. For real, I'm just saying.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome you all out to a musical extravaganza called the Night and Day Project. Please save your applause to the end.
I'm in the AC, cooler than I ever was.
On trick deck. Looks pretty sweet. Still got a bit of pop for an old man. See if we can get any light in our ollies.
Don't sweat too much.
It's hard work, kids. Don't know how you do it. Too much time behind a desk. Now, 180 kickflip. Man, I reckon if I did this for half an hour a day, my fitness level would double. We were doing a little bit of bowl riding.
Yeah.
A little bit, because where we used to skate at the shops, there was a bowl there. There was no skate park, so if you weren't skating the shops or the school, it was like, oh, let's go to the bowl. Do I have enough stamina is the question. Perseverance, plenty of that. Stamina, maybe not. So tired. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. Yes. Now, okay, let me tell you all a story. Raptor 2, first ever electric skateboard designed by a skateboarder. Facts, facts, baby. I've landed my 180. Did you film it?
Yeah, I filmed it.
A half pipe. If I didn't have a car or a camper there, that would be the perfect spot.